Good morning. Today I wanted to show you the best way for trimming a two-part number plate. Now, as you can see here on this plate, there's excess acetate, excess film running off there that needs trimming off. Now, to take a blade and actually try and cut it this way, you're in danger of actually cutting the physical plate. So I've got a self-healing cutting board here, and I'm just going to show you how I do this. So, a nice scalpel blade. It's a Swan Morton, made in Sheffield. Really nice quality. A size 11 blade, and these we supply in our online shop. Really lovely sharp blade, and so we come in, just run all the way along there. I'm just going to cut off short. I would normally go on a bit longer, and I'm hoping you can see when I finally get a cut on this. Right, so now you see how that's come away nicely, and just that last little bit, as you can see. What it is this, some needs trimming down here as well. I don't know if you can see that, I hope so. But this is the same this side. And you can see how it's come away quite nicely, and that is the best way to trim a plate, in my opinion. Thank you.